Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 1720 Grover Glen Court in Woodbridge, Virginia. This is a two-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home for rent. You do have 2 parking spots right out front. There's also guest parking around here, and there's also street parking. So I'll show you this side of the property. Also, the lawn is taken care of by the community, so you do not have to do that. And then we come inside, show you around a little bit. Now in the living room, it is engineered wood. We also do have tile for the dining room, kitchen, and as well as the foyer. Right over here is your coat closet. Now, the owner had some work done to the property, so there's a few tools still waiting to be picked up. New carpet's been installed, new light fixtures have been installed, the countertops have been updated, there's new paint. So they're updates throughout the place. But I also do apologize for, excuse the dust. You do have a half bath on the main floor, so if you have any guests and they need to use the restroom, there's definitely available for them. Let me show you the living room from this side. Now, the kitchen in dining room, and I apologize, I forgot to move the fan. Just kind of give you an idea of what you can do for the dining room. Show you the layout of the kitchen. And again, new countertops, brand new. And now there's some tools and there's some stuff in the pantry, so I just gonna apologize. It's not empty, but it will be for you when you move in. Also, gas burning fireplace. Just wanted to show you the deck. It'll be available to move around the 15th, 16th. Just really last minute touch-ups. You know, let's do the basement first. Let's take advantage of the sunlight while it's still available. As we head down here. Again, fresh new carpet. And if you've seen some of my other tours, I love walking on new carpet. Your laundry room. Now, one thing, you have this little bump out right here. I think this would be cool for, maybe you put a coat rack here, maybe you could put a bookshelf here, a little extra storage. Gives you some options. Decorative item like a table. You have a full bathroom down here. And as we go through the basement, now you do have a supply closet. You know, your sump pump is right here, but you do have some storage space. And your utility closet, HVAC system, hot water heater. I'm trying to seal that up. And then you have a room down here you could use this entertainment, game room, library. I don't know if you want to use this as an office. It's just maybe a little too big for that. Kids play area. There are options down here. Though I could see my girlfriend telling me to go down there if I'm running my mouth a little too much. All right. And yes, my girlfriend would do that. She would just say, go to the basement. I wanted to show you the living room a little bit more. We're going to head upstairs. And we're going to start with the second bedroom. And now for the primary bathroom. Dual sinks. And now I'll show you the primary bedroom. Also, you do have a linen closet right over here. And the primary bedroom. If you are interested, please feel free to reach out. My information is in the bottom of the video. If you have an agent, also have them reach out to me. You can definitely set up a showing. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.